Hello, kids. Today, we're going to learn numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. One sun. 2. 1, 2. 2 balloons. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 cats. 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 flowers. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 stars. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 6 teddy bears. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 6. 7 rainbows. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 6. 7. 8 ducks. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9 lollipops. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10 butterflies. Wow! Great job, kids! Now, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! You did amazing! See you next time. Bye-bye.